Hello again. Now let's talk topic about the 8 patterns of fingerprint. Now, okay, let's get started. The number one, the plain art. The ridges enter from one side or rise in the center, forming a wave-like pattern and exit on the opposite side. Number two, tendon art. The similar to the plain arc, but had a sharpened rise, almost like a spike. Okay. Number three, radial loops. Rad- Radius flowing in from the thumb side, radial bone side, and loops around to exit the same side. Okay, number four, ulnar loops. Radius flow in from the pinky side on the bone side and loop back around to the same side. Okay, playing words. The circular or the spiral ridge pattern has two deltas and at least one ridge that a complete circuit. Okay, number six, the center pocket loops. Like like the planes where the spiral loops is surrounded by loops patterns, two deltas, but radius do not form a complete circuit around the core. Okay, number seven, where double loops were consists of two separate loops formation appear like the two loops twisted together with two deltas. And the last in the number eight, the accident were the combination of the two different patterns is that the clearly fit into the other categories and often include the irregularities. Okay, and thank you.